Welcome back now to Saturday's Sports Special. Now, two-time world 200-meter champion Shericka Jackson says she's already focused on bettering last year's exploits after notching her first National Sportswoman of the Year accolade on Friday. And 400-meter world champion Antonio Watson says winning the men's honour is a major motivation for him on his Olympic quest. Several others were recognised at a glitzy R.J. Gleaner Sports Foundation Awards Gala at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel.
The 2023 Sportswoman of the Year is Shericka Jackson.
A near-perfect year for Shericka Jackson was duly recognized on Friday. Jackson, who was runner-up for the National Sportswoman of the Year award for 2022, won her first honor at the R.J. Gleaner Sports Foundation Awards at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. She was unbeaten over the half-lap event last season and sped to a championship record 21.41 seconds for gold in Budapest, Hungary.
I'm feeling good. I'm actually feeling really good, and just to be here representing myself and my family and friends is just a good feeling. I think it was a pretty good year for me. I can't complain. I had accomplished so many goals that I have set, and I'm healthy, you know, and I think that's two things I look forward to achieving most of the goals that I set. And yeah, I didn't achieve the world record, but it is what it is, and for me personally, it's going back to the drawing board. I am healthy and ready to go.
Antonio Watson.
In the meantime, National Sportsman of the Year Antonio Watson says this award has now validated what was a breakout year for him at the senior level in 2023. The 22-year-old broke a 40-year drought for the country when he improbably sprinted past the favourites in the home stretch of the World Championships 400-meter final in Budapest, Hungary.
It's a great feeling, a massive confidence booster. I just feel overwhelming right now. I just remember the dream and the goal, and just always work and believe in whatever coach said and just push forward.
Watson's 400-meter win was also voted People's Choice Performance of the Year. Danielle Williams, who copped her second world title when she won the 100-meter hurdles in Budapest, was named runner-up for the Sportswoman of the Year honour.
It's wonderful to know that, you know, we're recognized for the work that we put in and the results that we're getting. It's not easy, and so if anybody but our country can recognize us and award us for the good that we do, for putting brand Jamaica out there as well, it's an awesome feeling.
World Championships silver medalist Hansel Parchment was the runner-up on the men's side. The VM Group Youth Award was won by West Indies Under-19 representative Jordan Johnson. Johnson was awarded for leading Jamaica's Under-19s to double title success in the regional tournament, as well as scoring 3 centuries in their preparation series in August 2023. Former Sunshine Girls captain and coach Connie Francis, who guided the team to a first podium finish in 16 years at the Netball World Cup, received the Chairman's Award for her contribution to the sport of netball. And the first ever women's Olympic gold medalist from the English-speaking Caribbean, Dion Hemmings-McCarthy, was handed the iconic award for her contribution to the sport of athletics.